Did you know that Google's search algorithm impacts over 3.5 billion searches every day? What happens when Google changes the rules? Today, we're diving into Google's latest algorithm updates and how they're reshaping the internet. If you're curious about how these changes affect you and the content you enjoy, stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. We'll explore the impacts on content quality, SEO practices, discuss the new AI features, their risks, and what it means for you. Let's get started. 1. The algorithm update. Google regularly updates its search algorithm, which is a set of rules used to rank web pages. These updates are meant to make Google search better for users. However, these changes can have a big impact on websites and businesses. For example, House Homemade, a website that reviewed air purifiers, was severely affected. They used to be top in Google search results because they provided detailed, expert reviews. But after an update in September last year, their traffic dropped dramatically because Google started showing results from larger lifestyle magazines instead. These magazines often didn't test the products themselves, leading to less reliable information. Another update in March made things even worse for House Homemade, reducing their visitors from thousands each day to just a few hundred. This huge drop in visitors forced them to lay off most of their staff, and now they might have to shut down completely. Many other small businesses experience similar issues, losing traffic and revenue due to these algorithm changes. 2. Impacts on content creators and businesses. The changes Google made to its search algorithm have created big problems for many businesses and content creators. When Google changes how it ranks websites, some sites might suddenly get a lot less traffic because they appear lower in search results. This drop in visitors can hurt their earnings and influence. For example, House Homemade, which reviewed air purifiers, saw their website visitors plummet after Google's updates. They used to get a lot of traffic, but then found themselves losing out to bigger magazines that didn't even test the products they reviewed. This severe drop in traffic forced House Homemade to lay off most of their team, and they might have to close down entirely. Another case is Giselle, a website that also faced similar challenges. After the updates, their search rankings dropped, leading to significantly fewer visitors. This loss in traffic meant less income, resulting in layoffs and financial stress. These stories show how challenging it can be for businesses and content creators when Google changes its algorithm, impacting their ability to reach people online. 3. Google's perspective. Google updates its search algorithm to improve the experience for people who use their search engine. They aim to provide more relevant and high-quality results, making it easier for users to find what they are looking for. Google tests these changes extensively to make sure they help users find better information. Recently, Google introduced a new AI feature called AI Overviews. This feature uses artificial intelligence to give direct answers to users' questions right on the search page. The idea is to make search results more helpful and efficient. For example, if you search for best coffee shops in New York, AI Overviews might provide a quick list directly in the search results, along with links to more detailed content. Google believes that AI Overviews will benefit users by providing faster and more accurate answers. They also think it will help users discover useful content more easily. However, while this feature aims to enhance user experience, it has also raised concerns among webmasters and content creators about potential decreases in traffic to their sites. 4. Criticism and controversy. Google's algorithm updates and the introduction of AI Overviews have sparked significant criticism from content creators and SEO experts. Many argue that these changes have hurt the quality and accessibility of information on the internet. Content creators, particularly those running smaller websites, have seen their site traffic drop drastically. They feel these updates favor big brands and mainstream media, pushing smaller niche sites out of visibility. SEO experts have raised concerns that despite following Google's guidelines, many good quality sites are losing their rankings to less informative, AI-generated content. This shift is seen by some as detrimental, as it could lead to a decrease in detailed, human-generated content that many users rely on for accurate information. The debate is intense, with some people supporting Google's efforts to streamline information access and improve user experience, while others argue that it compromises the diversity and reliability of content available online. This has led to a broader discussion about the balance between using advanced technology like AI in search engines and maintaining a fair platform for all content creators. 5. AI overviews and misinformation risks. AI overviews are a feature from Google that uses artificial intelligence to summarize search results quickly and directly on the search page. This tool is designed to make finding information faster and easier by providing brief answers instead of just links. However, because AI overviews generate content based on what's popular rather than what's verified, they can sometimes produce incorrect or misleading information. There have been several funny but also risky mistakes made by AI overviews. For instance, Google's AI once suggested that people could eat rocks to get minerals and vitamins, a clearly unsafe recommendation. Another bizarre error was when it recommended putting glue on pizza. While these examples might seem humorous, they highlight a serious issue. AI can spread misinformation if it mistakes popular content for accurate content. These inaccuracies can be dangerous, especially if people rely on this information for health or safety decisions. It's a growing concern that as AI becomes more integrated into our search tools, the potential for spreading false information might increase. 6. Impact on SEO and internet content quality. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how people try to improve their website's visibility in Google search results. Over time, SEO has changed a lot. Google frequently updates its algorithm to prioritize high-quality, useful content and demote low-quality, spammy pages filled with ads and irrelevant information. This is Google's way of ensuring that users find the best possible information when they search for something. However, there's a growing concern about the rise of AI-generated content. AI can create content quickly and in large amounts, which might lead to a future where much of what we find online is made by machines. While this can make information more accessible, it risks lowering the quality of content. Human writers often provide deeper insights, personal experiences, and nuances that AI might miss or get wrong. The worry is that if AI-generated content dominates, it could push out rich, detailed articles created by humans. This could make it harder to find trustworthy and thorough information, possibly decreasing the overall quality of content on the internet. 7. Regulation and ethical considerations. As AI becomes more central in creating and managing digital content, there's a growing call for regulations to ensure it's used responsibly. Governments might start setting rules for AI similar to those for medicines or cars to prevent harm and ensure safety. These regulations could include making sure AI systems are transparent about how they work and requiring them to be tested thoroughly before they're used widely. Ethically, using AI in influential roles like search engines or news generation raises serious concerns. If AI systems aren't carefully controlled, they could spread false information, make biased decisions, or overlook important human nuances. This is risky because AI doesn't naturally understand right from wrong. It learns from the vast amounts of data it's fed, which can include biased or incorrect information. The ethical challenge is ensuring AI helps without harming, respecting privacy, and not misleading users. Adequate safeguards like continuous monitoring and the ability to correct errors quickly are crucial to prevent these risks and maintain trust in AI-driven technologies. That wraps up our deep dive into Google's latest algorithm changes and the shift towards AI-driven search results. We've explored how these changes can impact the quality of information you find online and what it means for content creators and users like you. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on how technology is reshaping our digital world, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot. Also, share this video with friends or anyone who might find it interesting, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below with your views on AI and search engines, or any experiences you've had with changes in search results. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.